Cordless car polishers have become increasingly popular among car enthusiasts and professional detailers due to their convenience and ease of use. There are many products available to choose cordless car polishers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best cordless car polishers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cordless Car Buffer Polisher W/2 by 2000 mAh 21V batteries. The PropMax Car Buffer is a top-notch cordless car polisher with a newly upgraded eccentric polisher that ensures even wax distribution, preventing over-polishing. With adjustable speed settings ranging from 2800 to 5500 RPM, you can tackle various polishing needs effectively. Equipped with two long-lasting 21V 1500 mAh batteries, you get up to 100 minutes of uninterrupted use. Being cordless and lightweight at only 3.3 pounds, this buffer provides unmatched convenience, allowing you to polish your car without the hassle of cords. Ideal for car detailing, this kit comes with various accessories for versatile applications. Number 2. Saker Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. The Saker Car Buffer is a lightweight and portable polisher, powered by a rechargeable battery. Its powerful motor offers adjustable speeds for effective car detailing up to 5000 RPM. With easy installation features like quick pad changes and a hook and loop surface, polishing becomes efficient. The kit includes 10 attachments for tasks like polishing, sanding, and waxing, making it a versatile tool for car care. Number 3. Cordless Car Buffer Polisher Kit W/2 by 2000 mAh 21V batteries. This cordless buffer polisher kit is a time and money saver, with a powerful rotary polisher that produces up to 5000 RPM with low noise. Its lightweight and cordless design makes it easy to carry and store, and the powerful brushless motor ensures professional and safe use. With a large capacity battery that provides 5 hours of battery life, this kit is perfect for outdoor polishing. It features 8mm random orbit for a swirl-free finish, 6 adjustable gears, and comes with a variety of pads for different scenarios. Suitable for cleaning cars, furniture, wood, leather, and tiles. Number 4. Cordless Car Buffer Polisher Car Polishing Kit. The PropMax Cordless Buffer is designed for efficient car detailing. With two powerful 21V batteries, you can enjoy up to 120 minutes of uninterrupted polishing, making your task quicker and easier. The upgraded touchscreen display allows you to easily adjust settings, ensuring a user-friendly experience. You can choose from 8 speed levels, catering to various tasks from waxing to removing stubborn scratches. Plus, its lightweight and ergonomic design reduces vibration, providing comfort during extended use. This polisher meets all your needs, whether you're a beginner or a professional. Number 5. Cordless Buffer Polisher 6-inch Dual Action Polisher Kit. JeviLife Buffer Polisher Kit comes with two powerful 3000 mAh batteries for extended working hours. Its random orbit design covers a wider polishing area efficiently. With 6 variable speeds, you can customize the polishing effect to suit your needs. The ergonomic design with rubberized body and comfortable grips reduces fatigue during long hours of work. The package includes various pads and accessories for a complete polishing experience.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.